Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your best curbside deals for the week of July the 26th to August the 1st over at Walgreens. And we have some new fresh deals. It's a fantastic week curbside. And some items you can get a little bit cheaper, including the Pantene shampoo, than in store. What is a curbside pickup? Awesome question. You're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, opting to pick it up at your location, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that loves register rewards and you want to be in store and, you're just not about online shopping, watch yesterday's video linked at the end. Really some fantastic deals also in store, so you might want to check that out. Just a whole gamut of stuff, including 48-cent Tide. Who doesn't love that? Let's get right into this, guys, with deal number one. Okay, so for this deal, we're going to be grabbing one of these clearance Nicorette 100 counter, so the big box. We have a 15 off of one that you had to load either last week or the week previous. I can no longer load it on my husband's card, along with a $5 store coupon. Drops his friend down to $7.99. Balance to be close to $10. So I found this clearance sunscreen for $2.49, so 75% off. So why not throw one of those in? It looks like a really nice one too, even though it's Walgreens generic. It has just, I don't know, like pink all over it. I just thought it was cute. So just to show you guys, these are the only coupons that are coming off: the $5 store and the $15 manufacturer. I could not get a promo code to work for this, I think because both of the items were on clearance. Sometimes that's just the way that it goes. You just can't throw in an extra code. Maybe you'll have better luck than I. So $30.48, $5 store coupon, $15 manufacturer. So the new subtotal is $12. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $201, not a bad little deal. Alternatively, if you don't like the sunscreen, throw something else into the basket. Okay, let's look at deal number two. For this one, you need this, the 10 back when you buy 3 FemCare, valid right till the end of the month. And then we also got a 10 back when you spend 45. So if you want to stack these two, this is an option curbside. So I'm just going to add 3 of the $12.99 or $12.49 to $12 or $11.99, around that neighborhood, where we have $4 digital coupons attaching to each product. So we have the Radiant, we have the regular pads, just an assortment of feminine care. And this is one item we really don't get a lot of coupon deals for. So if you wanted to just swing this deal, it wouldn't be the worst. It's buy one, get one 50% off. And maybe in your region, some of this stuff is also on clearance. And the last item, because we have to grab an assortment, is this friend, the Always Ultra Thin Wings for $11.99 with another $4 digital coupon. That's $12 for the 3. And then we're also going to throw in 3 of these Pantene shampoos, and they are in a promotion that when you buy 3 of them, you're getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, and we have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. Just to keep it easy, I just threw in 3 of the shampoos. And just to show you guys, using the code FAST15, I'm saving an additional 15% off, so $1.86, nothing to sneeze at there. My $4 Pantene, and then my $12 in Tampax and Always coupons, melting off right there for an additional $12 of savings. The overall total for this basket is $47.19. Oops. Let me just do the math here really quickly. Minus $1.86, $45.33. So we are there for both of our thresholds. And we have $16 in manufacturers melting off. So you're going to pay $30.21 with your debit card, and you're getting back $24.47. So it makes this basket just such a great deal if you can swing it. It's like $6 for all this magic. I think it's a really great basket. Okay, deal number 3. For this one, we are going to be grabbing just an assortment of household products. So we have 2 of these car clips for $5.99, and a new $3 coupon appeared on Sunday. So load that. And then for this, It's called Small Spaces, but they've rebranded it for bathrooms. I don't fully understand that. We have another $3 coupon to go with that. And then we're going to grab one of these Mr. Clean sprays, and we have another $2 coupon attaching to that. Take a breath after every time I say attaching to that. So just to show you our Chorus line, and then Fast 15 is taking an additional 45 cents off. I think it's only coming off that one Mr. Clean product because the other two are a weird sales price at $5.99. So the overall total for your basket is $18.77, 45 cents melting off at $8 in manufacturers. So $11.42 if you want to use up to $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $1.42 for like 3 cleaning products. Hey, deal number 4. This one, if you want to stock up your pantry on Coke, it's a great one. Buy 2, get 2 for free. So basically it's $23.98 for 4 of these. Now I'm in Michigan, for every case or every 12 pack, sorry if I call it a case, it's a 12 pack. I always people get really upset in the comments. For every 12 pack, you have to pay $1.20 recycling fee. It's the way that it goes. Some states are even more. In some states, you don't have to pay the recycling fee. So if the numbers look a bit askew here, it's because it's an additional $1.20 per 12 pack. So if you wanted the employees to bring it out to your car, this is just a workaround. You can't use a discount code with this, but a buy 2, get 2 for free. You're not going to see this till much later towards Labor Day. Final deal that I have cooked up for you is deal number 5, and this one is going to include just the Pantene. So if you're like, hey, I just don't have the funds to grab like, a $30 basket, I hear you guys, and I understand that completely. So grabbing 3 of these, it's going to be $16.47, and yes, it's the Pantene, and you have to load that 4 off a 2 digital coupon. And the promotion for this is that when you buy 3 online, you're getting back $4 in Walgreens cash. And guess what? Fast 15 is taking off $1.86 off of this. So basically you're saving almost $5.86. That's so much better than doing this deal in store if you really want to stock up on the Pantene. And I think that the Pantene conditioner is just magic. One of my absolute favorites, especially if you have longer hair. It's just a really nice conditioner. So the overall total here is $16.47. Fast 15 taking $1.86 off, and then your $4 digital. So $11.49. If you want to use up to $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.49, and you're getting $4 back. So not a bad little deal. You get that extra $1.86 versus doing this in store where you're not going to get that $1.86 off. That is it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Yesterday's video in store is linked right here, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.